A team of archaeologists and adventurers has discovered something incredible, to be precise. It is the entrance vault to the pyramid. This previously undiscovered chamber holds the key to unlocking the secrets of the pyramid and could shed new light on the lives of the ancient Egyptians. Join us on an unforgettable journey as we explore this wonder of the world and delve deep into the mysteries of the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and it never ceases to amaze visitors, even in modern times. This amazing edifice was built over 4,500 years ago, and it stands as a tribute to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians who built it. Even after centuries of research and investigation, the pyramid conceals a great deal of information that has not yet been revealed. One of these previously unknown facts is the location of the entrance vault, which was just recently discovered. Archaeologists and explorers have spent a significant amount of time and effort looking for the entrance to the Great Pyramid. Although it was believed that the pyramid contained multiple internal rooms, the precise position of the entrance had not been discovered until recently. Some people thought that the entrance was disguised somewhere on the exterior of the pyramid, while others thought it was hidden somewhere inside the pyramid itself. Recent discoveries, on the other hand, have provided fresh insight into this age-old riddle. In 2017, a group of experts working on the Scan Pyramids project made public their announcement that they had found a sizable cavity within the Great Pyramid. The group was able to find an area that was roughly 100 feet in length and was situated just above the Great Gallery of the pyramid by making use of sophisticated imaging tools. It was obvious that this was a significant finding, even though the reason for its existence and what it was used for were unknown at the time. The researchers continued their investigations into the unexplained vacuum throughout the subsequent few years. They employed a range of techniques such as muon radiography, which involves detecting the flow of subatomic particles through the structure of the pyramid. They also used other techniques. Researchers were able to construct a detailed image of the vacuum using this technique, which revealed the shape as well as the dimensions of the void. Late in the year 2021, the group shared the news that they had achieved yet another milestone. They had found a narrow passage that led to the expansive vacuum that they had been searching for. This passageway, which can also be referred to as an entry vault, can be found on the north face of the pyramid, slightly above ground level. A little more than 7 inches in width and 43 inches in height define this confined space. The entranceway is carved into the limestone that make up the pyramid, and it angles sharply upwards as it ascends. Important progress has been made in the investigation of the Great Pyramid thanks to the finding of the entrance vault. Researchers now have access to a direct route to investigate the pyramid's hitherto inaccessible inner chambers for the first time in several millennia. It is hoped that additional research into the huge emptiness that is located above the Great Gallery would disclose fresh information regarding the construction and function of the pyramid. The entry vault also raises numerous questions. Why was it constructed, and what function does it perform today? Throughout the pyramid's construction, did the builders make use of it, or was it added at a later time? These are just some of the numerous riddles that researchers seek to solve in the years to come, and there are many more. The Great Pyramid of Giza has been investigated and explored for a very long time, but there are still many things that are unknown about it. One example of how contemporary technology and study methods are providing new light on this ancient marvel is the recent discovery of the entry vault. It is expected that many more discoveries will be uncovered as scholars continue to investigate the pyramid, which will give new insights into the lives and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians who built it. That's all for the video. We'll be right back with more such informative videos soon. Until then, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.